Hi guys! Welcome back to Buona's Kitchen. Today, I'm going to share to you how to make the latest trendy Korean street food, the cream cheese garlic bread. The cream cheese garlic bread is a soft bread stuffed with cream cheese and coated with garlic butter sauce. Let's get baking! For the buns, we will need 3 1/4 cups of plain flour, half cup of warm fresh milk, 1/4 cup of white sugar, half cup of warm water, 1/4 cup of unsalted butter at room temperature, 1 medium egg, 2 teaspoons of instant yeast, and 1 teaspoon of salt. In a medium bowl, add the milk, water, egg, butter, then add the flour, sugar, salt, and the instant yeast, and mix them together until you form a dough. Then, transfer the dough onto the floured surface. Sprinkle some flour on top of the dough and knead this for about 10 minutes until it becomes smooth. If your dough is too sticky, sprinkle some more flour, but make sure you just add enough and not too much. Once the dough is smooth and elastic, transfer it into a bowl lightly greased with oil. Cover it with tea towel and let it rest for about 1 hour or until it has doubled in size. While we are waiting for our dough to rise, we will prepare the cream cheese filling. We will need 200 grams of cream cheese, 2 tablespoons of white sugar, and 3 tablespoons of double cream or all-purpose cream. In a bowl, add the cream cheese, cream, and the sugar. Mix them together until well incorporated. After 1 hour, the dough has already doubled in size. Transfer it onto the work surface. Punch the dough. And then shape it into a ball. And cut it into 8 portions. Shape each portion into a ball. Then, roll the dough. And transfer it into a baking tray. Make sure that you leave space between each dough and let it rest for about 1 hour. After 1 hour, brush the top of the dough with egg wash. Just use 1 egg. Mix it with 2 tablespoons of milk. Then, bake this in a preheated oven of 180 degrees Celsius for about 15 to 20 minutes or until the top is golden brown. While we are waiting for our buns to bake, we will make the garlic butter sauce. For the garlic butter sauce, we will need half cup melted unsalted butter, 2 tablespoons of condensed milk, 2 tablespoons of double cream or all-purpose cream, 1 tablespoon of chopped parsley, 2 tablespoons of minced garlic, and 1 medium egg. You can also check the full list of ingredients in the description below. In a bowl, add the melted butter, the condensed milk, double cream, the egg, and the minced garlic. Then, add in the chopped parsley. Then whisk them together until well combined. After baking, let the buns completely cool. Once it has already completely cooled, make 6 cuts. and fill each side with a cream cheese filling. Then, coat it with the garlic butter sauce. Transfer it into a baking tray. Bake these in a preheated oven of 170 degrees Celsius for about 15 minutes. And here's our finished product! These buns are really good. It is best eaten warm, but my husband prefers it cold. And this is what it looks like inside. I hope you're going to try this recipe. If you like this recipe, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And if you're new to the channel, don't forget to smash the subscribe button. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye!